Yes, lad. Go on.
Afternoon, guys. We are at Airshot
Airfield, yeah.
Airshot Airfield, and there's
We've got a plane just coming into land there right now.
Good timing, eh? What good timing, guys, eh? Plane
it's
just
almost like
coming.
we planned it.
Yes. We didn't see it come in.
It's on the runway. Here he goes. Brakes on.
There we go. There's one successful land. But yeah, you can walk around and you can look at all the planes and things like that. Look at this, man. Mate. Wow, look inside there, man. There's another one coming into land. Mate, this one's coming over here. This one's coming over here.
Taxiing.
Aye, look, it's over here. Another one coming into land, guys. This one's coming into taxi. I don't know where it's taxiing. Might be on this yellow marker here as it further down. Yes. I know, there's a guy.
Guy bringing him in.
With these paddles. So what do you think of this place?
Seems pretty cool. I was just having a little look on Flight Radar there to see if I can get any indication of when the next flight's going to come in or not.
Nothing.
It doesn't tell me anything. It just tells me that Dubai to Newcastle is just left. It's just landed.
Yeah. Look at this red one over here, guys. Let's have a look at this one. This one looks pretty sick, doesn't it? Oh shit, just bashed me head.
Do you know what, right?
Yeah. They're sort of light as well, they're like
the instrument panel. It's got so many like different like clocks and whatever on it.
Yeah.
I don't know what you would call them.
altitude.
Altimeter.
I don't know, it's the altitude, isn't it? If you know, guys, what all the little...
It's the altimeter, that tells
altimeter.
you, I'm pretty sure that tells you like whether you're flying like level with the horizon or not.
Yeah, that's right, either.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
mental, wasn't it? That was mental. What the backdraft on it
That
was mental.
That was powerful, mate.
Really powerful. Morris Minor.
You like miners?
Look at that, man.
Make right.
Oh, the micro lights.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that must be pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Let's get some good views.
Yeah.
How far do they go?
Oh, well, it depends on the model, but I mean, fly across to Carlisle and back, no problem at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
That's quite a distance. Then.
Yeah. The newest ones are going 600 miles.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's,
So yeah,
that's pretty cool.
yeah.
I've seen these ones online where people are, they've got like these backpacks on, like a big fan.
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
Like backpack,
Yeah.
and they've got like a parachute.
parachute.
Yeah, they look
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
They do look
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you ever get up in the planes as well, or as a passenger?
No, I wouldn't mind going on one of these though. I must admit, it's just a bit different.
Uh huh.
So yeah,
Nice one.
looks good.
Nice
So
one.
have you just got an restaurant, have you?
Yeah, well, we just thought we'd come out for the day, have a little look around and see what was going on. I'm assuming this is some sort of open day or something today.
It's a fly-in, so you're going to get all sorts of aircraft coming in,
Right.
Oh, okay. Wow.
and then they've got the cars here as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I'm into the, I like Japanese cars, so it's pretty nice to see that Mazda MX-5 there.
It's mad that. I love that.
Mate, that Mazda's lovely.
Hello, doggy. Hello. Mate, you seen the way that one's standing.
What kind of animals are them in there?
I think alpacas.
Alpaca.
Is that like a dog or something?
Is that
Or
like a cross
Is it like
between
a
a
dog?
dog or something?
like a dog and a horse or something? Or-
With like just a mammal, I'm not really entirely sure.
Oh, okay.
Just it's not an animal, I guess.
Do they bite?
I don't think so.
Do you think they're fast? That you think like a human could outrun one?
Why asking me these questions?
I just think curious. I've never seen them before.
I mean, the one of the black ones was chased around a hill before, and it was
Oh, was it?
pretty fast. Like,
Check a grenade. Pretty cool.
Like Medal of Honor.
Oh, thermites.
that's a weird.
That's pretty cool. I like the tent as well, man.
I've zoomed in a bit, so you might see it a bit better. Oh,
Oh, that's not good.
oh, that's not good. Or is it just starting up again? Oh. Mission fail.
I'll give my life for Pakistan.
Right at this side of the runway. Imagine doing this at like Newcastle Airport.
I know.
You know what I mean? It's crazy.
Well, you used to be able to do it before crazy people decide to fly planes into buildings.
Yes. Yeah, I remember like years ago there was an observation observation tower you used to go up to at Newcastle Airport, and you could see
On the
all the
roof, wasn't it,
planes.
or something?
I was on the roof, yeah. It was brilliant, you know. How quiet's that?
I think he turned the engine off.
I came in, it was really quiet, you couldn't even hear it.
I'm pretty sure he turned the engine off.
Right, it was really quiet. Another like, mad little plane here. Don't really know much about planes, but I know the fly. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Yeah.
you're pretty good at that.
Yeah, look inside there. Yeah, that's G Azov. Is that like a Russian general or something?
Could be.
This is another little plane. It's all I keep on saying, he has another little plane. Where, look at this one, man. Look at that. That's like mad. Have you noticed how we're just saying, let's look at this red plane, let's have a look at this yellow plane.
Yeah, I think anyone that's still watching the video up to this point is probably quite bored now.
Yeah, so this was just a thing we'd seen and we thought, oh, we'll come and have a look at it. And
We didn't expect it to be an open day.
yeah,
We just thought we'd come here and we'd see a couple of planes taken off maybe.
yeah,
But there's
that was it,
an
yeah.
open day here
Yeah.
in support of the military in some sort.
These are even smaller planes. Size of that one, man. They're pretty cool, aren't they?
They are pretty
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. You couldn't get on one to fly, so what's the point?
David, why are you walking like a queer cunt? There's some sort of like, there'll be some sort of communication here.
Yeah, there has to be. We're just talking about if there's like a communication tower here or something like I don't know, like a what's it called?
Radio shack.
Yeah, Radio Shack. AT tower.
ATC.
ATC tower.
Air
Yes,
traffic control.
Yeah. Here's this one taken off. It's going down the runway. Whoa, get over a bit. Oh. Hey, we're out.
Yeah,
Yeah, that way.
the way you've just come in is the way you go back out.
Okay, mate.
That way. Not
Yeah,
that way.
that way.
Right. Right, thanks. Now here you go, just see where you come out. Way. See you later. Remember to top up your sun cream because it's very hot.